Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on this occasion of PSK online lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, as a HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my TY student participants for the PSK online lecture. And today we are going to discuss about the chapter 2, Material Research and E-Material Management. Under this chapter, today we are going to deal with the question about the codification and what are the techniques of the codification as well as the advantages of the codification. What do you mean by the codification? Let us go for the meaning of the codification. Codification means giving or assigning a symbol or a code number to material for easily identify. In a storeroom, we have seen a lot of the material, what are the spare parts, quantity we are going to store here. With the help of the codification, with the help of this certain symbol code, we can easily identify, we can get that material with easy without wasting the time. That is a basically importance of the codification. Even also we are I would like to give the one of the interesting example. For example, in our college, in every college, every educational institute, those who are the students are getting the identity card, even with the roll number, GR number. Even during the examination, we can use code as a seat number for the identification of the students. Even also we have done the registration at the Mumbai University, therefore we have received the PRN number, the 16 digit number. With these 16 digit number, the identification of the students can easily done. That comes under the codification. Then we can say giving or assigning a symbol, a code, a number, a name to the material for easily identification. Now we are going to see what are the techniques of the codification, what are the types of the codification, what are the methods of the codification, and how can you do the codification. Look at the here, the method as follow. Write a lot number, we have to write a lot number. The second one is the name of the commodity. In a shortcut, we are going to write the name of that commodity. Name of the item received in a one lot is a written. And what are the items, what are the quantity we have received in a one lot, we are going to write here. For example, a store received a lot of 39 half cases of apple and the lot number is 325. Then as per the our formula, as per the method, first we are going to write down the lot number. First we are going to write down the lot number. Look at the year 325 lot number. The name of the commodity, we have received the apple, then we have written the apple. And name of the item received in a one lot, we are going to write here. Then 39 half cases, then we have written here 39 half cases. And then we can say first we have to write the lot number, second we have to write the name of the commodity, and third we are going to write about the name of the item received in a one lot. Now we are going to see the second example. A store received 120 bags of potatoes, a lot number is a 336. As per our formula, as per our method, the first one is a write a lot number, the lot number is a 336. The name of the commodity, we have received the potato, then we are going to write the P here. Now the next one is the name of the item received in a one lot is a read, it should be the read, it should be right here. Then 120 bags of potato, then 120 bags of the potato. Then we can say this is the methods we are going to write the codification. Now we are going to see what are the types, what are the techniques of the codification. Look at the year 325 half cases, apple of 39 half cases. Then look at the year 336, then potato 120 bags. With the help of the codification, we can easily identify the particular commodities or items. Now look at the here methods, types or techniques of the codification. Now we are going to see one by one here. Look at the first one, numerical codification system. It is also called as a number codification system. We are supposed to give the number to the material for easily identify. Look at the second one, alphabetical codification system. A to Z alphabet in the English dictionary, we are going to use the alphabet which are assigned to the material for identification, the alphabetical codification system. Now look at the third one, alphanumerical, alphabet as well as the number, the combination of the numbers and alphabet we are going to use under here for the codification. Numbers and alphabets are given for the codification. The fourth one is the decimal codification. The number of digit is a given certain things like value, size. We are using the decimal point for the codification. Then Kodak codification, the name of the scientist who invented this codification method, the Kodak codification. We are going to see in the details also. The color codification. Now we have seen the signal. The red color indicate we have to stop. The yellow indicate be ready, and green we have to go. That's conduct the color codification also. We have seen the Mumbai's Dabbewala. With the help of the Mumbai's Dabbewala color combination, color codification, they can easily deliver the tiffin to the recipient or to the destination without any mistake. Now here also we have seen the there is a electrical wires. Electrical wires indicate the red color. We have seen the some in a some point we have seen the skull and the crossbow and having the red color, it's indicate the danger. They more than 440 electrical shocks there. In a railway there is a lot of instruction. The red colors are using for the identify the overhead wire. We are not supposed to touch that. It's indicate the color codification. The red color indicate to be danger, be take a security, to be safe. Now we are going to see one by one here what are the methods of color codification. Now look at the here numerical codification system. Under the numerical, numbers are given to the material to identify easily. This is a suitable for those company where numbers of items are in a large, such as a one for screw, second for nuts. Even also we have seen in the colleges, we have assigned the roll number and GR number to the students for the easily identification. Now say look at the here. We have seen the Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar card we have seen the number codification. Look at the Aadhaar card. We have seen the number codification. Under the Aadhaar card, we have seen the number codification. Now we are going to see the another is a alphabetical codification. Now look at the here alphabetical codification system. Under the alphabetical codification, the name given to the material, such as A for the screw, B for the net. Even also I have a name, Dr. Dheeraj Joval. That's my name for the codification. With the name we can easily identify. Even also we can see here, look at their alpha numeric. Now let us go for the third one, is that alpha numerical codification. Under this method, alphabet as well as the numbers are used, combination are using for the codification, such as A1 for a screw, B2 for nut. Even also we have seen the certain items in the society, we have seen the alphanumerical codification. Look at the car number. Whatever the vehicles we have, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, everywhere we have seen the alphanumerical codification. Look at the MH Maharashtra 042236. Now look at the here. This is our PAN card. The PAN card is having the best example for alphanumerical codification. Look at the here. The starting is that starting is alphabetical here, and the here is a number combination is also. Now look at the here car. Now look at the here MH Maharashtra. Then we can see the here the sum of the alphabet and the numbers are here. These are the codification methods are applicable for the your PAN card as well as the four-wheeler, two-wheeler. This is the PAN card and this is the car number. Now we are going to see under the decimal system codification. It is a more commonly used. The number of digit in the codes will depend upon the extent classification required. The greater the number of the details to be covered, the greater will be the number of the digit. Now we can see here the decimal system. I have given this some of the example also. Then 000 generalities, 100 for philosophy and psychology, 200 for religion. Then we can go for the decimal codification also. Now look at the here codification. The Kodak system has been developed by Eastman Kodak Company of New York. This is the company has developed this kind of the codification, which consists of the 10 digits of the numerical now code. There is a 10 digit of the numerical codes also. Major grouping is based on the source of the supplier. Whatever the grouping we are going to do, it's a totally depend on the source of the supplier. Coding is a contributed by the only procurement benefits, important factor in indicating the purchasing and the issuing the activity. This is the information about the Kodak into Kodak codification. Now look at the here color codification. As I mentioned that one, look at the here red signal indicate we have to stop, yellow be ready, and the green indicates go, you can go now. This is a we have seen normally in the case of the traffic signal. Now look at the here Mumbai's Dabbewala codification. As I mentioned that with the color code on a dabba, on the dabba, on the tiffin, they can easily deliver the tiffin to the destination without any mistake. That comes under the color codification. Now we are going to see also here is the example of the Mumbai's Dabba Kodiwala system. How can they take the help of the codification? Now look at the here. They have given this some alphabet, color, etc. With the help of the alphabet, numbers, color code codification, they can deliver the tiffin to the destiny. Now look at the here first one, Dabawala street code of the residential station, E indicate, then residential railway station indicate, then destination railway station code indicate, then Dabawala code destination, then building name here is also indicate, then floor number is also indicate. Then we can say with the help of these are the color combination, then certain alphabet numbers, the Dabbewala deliver the tiffin without any mistake. That comes under the Six Sigma also. Now we are going to see. Now this is our recap about the methods, techniques of the codification. Now numerical codification system, which is basically on the numbers, alphabetical codification, then alphabets, alphanumerical, both are combination of alphabet as well number, decimal codification, Kodak codification, and the last one is a color codification. And now I would like to stress out the advantages of codification. What are the advantages of the codification? Now let us go for that one. Quick and easy identification of material. With the help of the codification, we can easily identify our required material. Then help to ensure proper material control. This is also helping to material control also. Then secrecy of material. We are going to certain code or symbol assigned, therefore we can maintain the secrecy of material. Saving time in a material handling. With the proper codification, we can easily identify the location and we can save the material, we can store the material, therefore we can save the time in a material handling. Reduce chance of the wrong issue. With the help of the codification, we can easily identify the material and therefore we can reduce the chances of the wrong issue of the material to the concerned department for the production purpose. These are the several advantages under the codification. Thank you very much for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.